Oh, it's machining in the kitchen, machining in the kitchen, machining in the kitchen with me. That's right. Another crazy video by Charlie Doo Dogs. So, coming to you from Peace of Mind Tools. We're about to make the first cut on the new jig setup for cutting worm gears. So, this is the jig setup cutting the worm gear. There's the tap. The quarter 20 tap I'm going to be making that with. There's the nylon blank, and we're going to be checking it out. So let's give it some power, and then we got the slow speeds. So first we get a hold of it, we set the speed to a good tapping speed. It doesn't need to be real fast, but it don't have to be real slow either. So there we go. So then you're only moving your Y-axis in, and well, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this, folks, and actually machine it too. So we're just kind of positioning the thing, and then I'll look over here where I got to look. And we're touched off and she's moving, so we've got two. So we're going to give her 5 thou to begin with. I'm going to make her do one full rotation at 5 thou. And you hear it quit cutting. So this time we're going to take the full cut. We're going to give it that full 15 thou depth. Okay, looks like that 15 thou was good. Take her on in for another 15 thou. Let her run that one. Yeah, this new jig's gonna work pretty good. It's got tool height adjustment or jig height adjustment right here, and we're good and close on the 90-degree angling and 90-degree fixturing for this cut, so that's looking pretty good. I'm going to go just another 10 thou on the OD and let it run, and I believe that's going to be the last pass. It's looking like that's plenty deep enough, and I don't want to get too thin in the material right there at the end of that stop for that drive. So I'll listen to it, I'll hear that it's not cutting anymore, and we'll go ahead and back it out. So there it is. We made the second worm gear out of nylon, and yeah, it's a test cut, but a test part, but it'll still be useful for some model that I build, I'm sure. So, and there it is, and machining in the kitchen with Charlie Doo Dogs.